Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Morawski, and I'm so excited that this week we're going to learn even more about those creepy, crawly creatures that you learned about last week with Miss Hatley. That's right, we're going to learn more about snakes. In order to get started, today we're going to reread the book that you read with Miss Hatley last week, and we're going to make a chart listing all the key details. Tomorrow and the next day, we're going to read a new book about the same topic. Ready? Let's get started. Snakes by Kate Riggs. Hello, snakes. Snakes are animals called reptiles. They live all around the world. Snakes have scales that cover their bodies. They do not have arms or legs. Snakes can be big or little. All snakes have forked tongues. Snakes eat meat. Some snakes eat mice and frogs. Other snakes eat deer. A baby snake comes out of an egg, or it is born alive. Baby snakes grow up by themselves. Snakes like to lie around in the sun. Then they look for food. Goodbye, snakes. And this is a great picture with wonderful labels. It's pointing to the eye, the nostril, the tongue, the skin. This is a nice blow up picture of the scales, the tail, the worst part, the jaws, and the fang. That's the end of our story for today. On the next slide, enjoy a great, fun brain break, and tomorrow we'll start reading our new book. See you then!